Hi, boys and girls. So I have a question for you. What if two friends gave you some cookies? Okay, let me say that one more time. What if one friend gave you a group of cookies and another friend gave you a group of cookies? Would you know how to find out how many cookies you have in all? Well, maybe some of you do, and maybe some of you don't, but this is what we're going to be doing today, okay? We're going to be finding out how to put two groups together and finding out how many we have all together, okay? But first, we're going to go over what we're going to learn today, okay? You guys ready for what we're going to learn today? Are you? Say yes if you're ready. Good enough. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is what we're going to learn. We're going to do our hand motions and say our sentence. Okay, you guys ready? All right, stand up, everybody. Everybody stand up. You stand up, and you stand up over there too. Stand up over here, stand up over there, and you stand up. Yes, okay, good. Thank you. Good job. Everybody stand up. All right, are you guys ready? All right. Okay, first, everybody put your hand on your head. Hand on your head, everybody. Everybody, hand on your head. Okay, other hand on your hip. Other hand on your hip. You guys ready? And then you stand up straight. Everybody stand up straight. You guys ready? Repeat after me. Okay, so here is what we're going to learn. Everybody standing up. You guys ready? Repeat after me. I go first and then you. Okay, I go first and then you. I can solve addition problems using counters.
Counters.
Now that we know that we're going to solve some addition problems by using counters, now that we know that we're going to be doing that, we're going to be pretending that we have cookies, okay? You guys are going to have your counters like you normally do, your regular counters with your pencil box, right? So, and I've already told you before that we just pretend that our counters will be frogs, or our counters are going to be cookies this time. So here we go with that question I asked you earlier about what if two friends gave you some cookies, okay? So let's say my friend Isabella, are you there? My friend Isabella gave me 3 cookies. How many cookies did Isabella give me? In a sentence, please. Isabella gave Mr. Perez 3 cookies. I hope you did that. Okay, so let's build our set of 3. Now, when we build our set of 3, we're getting things out of our pencil box, and we're going to be building a group of 3. So remember, we get our counter out, and once we put it down, we say the number. That's what we do. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so thank you, Isabella, for my 3 cookies. So that's one friend. My first friend, Isabella, gave me 3 cookies, and I'm going to get another gift from another friend of cookies from, let's see, who was it? Was it Juan? Yeah, it was Juan, yeah. Juan gave me 5 cookies. He really likes me. He got in trouble yesterday, and now he wants me to be nice to him. So he gave me 5 cookies. Here we go. 1. Oh, let's keep it together. 2. 3, 4, 5. And I do like to do this. I like to group it like this. my 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I make my box, and then or my square, and then I put my 5th one, or my number 5, in the middle. Now number 3, remember, goes like a diagonal in the die, right? So here we go. So Isabella gave me 3 cookies, and Juan gave me 5 cookies. Here's my group of 3. Here's my group of 5. Okay, and how much do we have all together? Well, when we say all together, everybody say all together. Say all together one more time. Okay, when we say all together, we're going to do this. All together. Okay, all together. So let's do this all together. Let's put it all together.
All together.
Now, once we have it all together, I can play with it, or I can just leave it the way it is. But I like to put it in I'm going to count it, because after we put it all together, I want to count it. So when I count it, I want to put it in a straight line. And when I count it, and when I'm going to tell you how many are in all, when we check how much are in all, I'm going to say the number. But first, I touch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So, class, I'm going to ask you a question. How many cookies do I have in all? Do I have? We're going to answer Mr. Perez, right? So, how many cookies do I have in all? Ready? Mr. Perez has 8 cookies in all. Okay? So, are you guys ready to do this in the classroom right now? You guys ready? All right, then. I hope you guys are following directions. Get that pencil box in front of you. I didn't ask you to open it yet, so keep that thing closed.